Imagine towering over the world at a staggering height of 182 meters. Welcome to the tale of the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world. Dwarfing even the renowned Statue of Liberty, this colossal marvel stands as a tribute to Vallabhbhai Patel, a pivotal figure in India's fight for independence. With its towering stature, it symbolizes the strength and unity Patel imbued in his nation. This isn't just a statue, it's a testament to unity and the indomitable spirit of Vallabhbhai Patel. The journey of the Statue of Unity began in 2010, with its conception by the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi. The idea rapidly took shape, and by 2013 the project was launched with a grand ceremony. The coming years saw an incredible display of human endeavor. Thousands of workers and hundreds of engineers toiled day and night, transforming a grand dream into an even grander reality. The resources used were monumental, matching the colossal nature of the task. Fast forward to October 2018, the world beheld a marvel standing tall against the sky, a testament to the strength of unity and the power of a shared vision. Years of relentless work and dedication gave birth to this remarkable symbol of unity. On the 31st of October 2018, the world held its breath as the Statue of Unity was unveiled. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the statue on Sardar Patel's 143rd birth anniversary, a date resonating with significance. The unveiling of the statue marked a historic day, leaving an indelible mark in the annals of history. Today, the Statue of Unity stands as an eternal reminder of India's journey to independence and unity. A towering symbol of unity, it encapsulates the relentless resolve of the people of India. It is a tribute to Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India, who played a pivotal role in uniting the country after independence. The statue's magnificence is a testament to his indomitable spirit and tenacity. Thus stands the Statue of Unity, a monumental tribute to the Iron Man of India, reminding us that unity is the bedrock of any nation's success.